Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that can elevate your lighting game, the Aputure Storm ADC Portable 3 Light Kit. We found this incredible kit online, and we've included the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Aputure Storm ADC Portable 3 Light Kit? This kit is a complete lighting solution that includes 3 Storm ADC fixtures, making it incredibly versatile for various lighting setups. Whether you need hard light for dramatic effects or soft light for a more natural look, this kit has you covered. One of the standout features of the Storm ADC is its cutting-edge Blair CG LED chipset, which offers an impressive color temperature range from 1800K to 20,000K. This wide CCT range allows you to match the light to any environment, whether you're shooting indoors or outdoors, during the golden hour, or at night. Moreover, the rigging options are quite comprehensive. The kit comes with Aputure super clamps and universal magic arms, providing you with versatile mounting solutions for different scenarios. Whether you're shooting in a studio or on location, you'll appreciate how easy it is to set up your lights exactly where you need them. Another fantastic feature is the Storm ADC Bowens mount adapter. This expands compatibility with Aputure's existing Bowens modifier lineup, giving you the flexibility to use various light modifiers that suit your creative needs. Additionally, the handheld bracket included in the kit allows for practical handheld lighting solutions, making it perfect for run-and-gun filmmaking. This means you can easily carry your lighting setup with you, providing you with the freedom to shoot wherever inspiration strikes. Designed with portability in mind, the entire kit is housed in a hard-shell rolling case, ensuring that everything is protected during transport. This feature is particularly beneficial for professionals who frequently move between locations, as it allows for quick setup and breakdown without worrying about damaging your gear. So, who is this kit suitable for? The Aputure Storm ADC Portable 3 Light Kit is ideal for filmmakers, content creators, photographers, and anyone who needs reliable, high-quality lighting on the go. Whether you're working on a short film, a YouTube video, or even capturing family memories, this kit provides the flexibility and quality you need. In practical use cases, you can utilize this kit for various scenarios, from interviews and product shoots to creative storytelling and event coverage. The versatility and portability make the